Hey guys, I got this AchansFam P9 Pro tire inflator, and in this video I'm going to show you how it works and why it's a great idea to have one of these in your car or home. So first of all, I want to point out you get really cool hard case right here, and everything is inside of it. You have all the adapters and the cords on this side, and this is the unit right here. You have a user manual which explains everything very clearly. The power button is right here, and this is the light button. This is to change the mode and increase or reduce the PSI. Here's the main hose. It's very good quality, braided. This is to charge from your car socket, and that would plug in right over here, just like so. You can also charge it with the USB-C cord, this one right here. And these are all the adapters that it comes with. We even have the press to Schrader adapter. So this is what the unit looks like. It's pretty cool. All surfaces around can be wiped down. And this is what we have right here. We have the light. This is the socket adapter connection right here. The USB-C port where you can charge. And you can use this port to use the power from this unit and charge your devices. So this is the power button right here. Just press and hold it. It'll turn it on. Then you're going to select the mode. We have the battery life over here. This is the PSI at the motorcycle mode. And then we have the bicycle ball. And this is custom. It goes up to 150 PSI. And you can use the plus and minus to set that. And for the car, it's preset to 36 PSI, but you can also change that to up to 50, which, you know, it kind of keeps you safe and also protects your stuff from being overinflated. So if you're inflating a car tire, it'll go to 36, and then as soon as it reaches that, it'll stop. If you want it more, like let's say you want it at 42, it'll stop at 42 PSI. And this hose connects right over here, just like that. We also have the light function. This is the bright light, then slow flashing light, and then more of an SOS type flash, and then you can turn it off. And you can also deflate. If you kind of inflate it too much, you can press this button and deflate the tire or whatever. I really like the idea of having a tire inflator in my car. Recently, I've had a tire go down, and I was able to kind of keep my tire pressure enough to get to an auto store to get the repair kit, and that saved me from replacing the tire there on the spot. Also, with the recent cold weather coming in, the tire pressure changed and it gave me an error on the screen. So I was able to just pull this out, set it to a couple more PSIs, and get that taken care of. And I really like the digital display on this unit because it is very accurate, and it's much better than just looking at the gauge and guessing the PSI. I've looked at many different devices similar to this, and this particular model is something that I would recommend and would rely on.